What if I told you that burying a whole potato in the soil near your plants could transform the way your garden grows? It sounds simple, but with just one extra step, this trick becomes even more powerful. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, take one full raw potato. Don't cut or peel it. Then prepare a natural solution by adding 1 spoon of vinegar into a liter of clean water. Stir well so the vinegar is evenly mixed. Now place the whole potato into this water and let it soak. This step does two important things. The potato absorbs just enough vinegar to change how it behaves once buried. And here's the benefit. When you place this potato in the soil near your plants, it won't sprout and compete with them. Instead, it breaks down slowly, releasing nutrients into the soil over time. That slow decomposition acts like a natural fertilizer, steadily enriching the soil and supporting healthier roots for nearby plants. You don't need chemicals or expensive products, just a potato, water, and vinegar. So next time you're working in the garden, try this simple method. It's a natural way to keep your soil nourished without the risk of unwanted sprouts. If you found this helpful, share it with other garden lovers, and I'll see you in the next video with more easy, nature-inspired tips.